Welcome to a new video. In this video, I will talk about the concepts of CRV and IOW. Let's look at the full forms. CRV is short for Critical Reliability Variable and IOW is Integrity Operating Windows. So let's start with CRV with a very simple day-to-day example. So the definition, or rather the meaning of CRV, is a variable which is critical to maintain the reliability of the system. So what we want to do here is to maintain the system at a reliable level so it can work for a longer time, and we want to look at the exact variable, the exact parameter which will keep it, or which is critical to keep it at that level. So that is CRV. Now let's look at a system. So the system which I have chosen is what we see almost every day. That is a milk which we have kept poured into a pot, and we have kept the pot on a stove for boiling. So now the motive here, or rather the reliability of this system, is that the milk should remain in the pot and it should not spill out. So what are the variables that we would want to look at to assure that this is going to happen? First is the temperature, second is the vessel dimension, and third is the time on the stove. So the temperature is the temperature of the milk or the temperature of the heating of the stove which we keep the pot at. The next is vessel dimension, the how big or how small the vessel is in which we pour the milk. And time on the stove is for how much time do we keep it at these two variables. So technically, let's look at the first two variables before going to the time. So the temperature, which is the standard temperature, is the boiling point of the milk. So that is 95 degrees Celsius. The second is the volume of the milk. So we want to boil a milk which is 1 liter. So that is about 1000 centimeter cubed. Now let's look at the temperature first. So in our case, the critical variable here is the temperature. So we want to maintain the temperature more or less around 95 degrees Celsius. The next step is to see what is going to happen if we go high or low. Now if we keep it too low, say near around room temperature, it may not boil at all. So that is going to upset our system, so that and damage the reliability, which means that we are not going to get the end result that we want. If we go to very high temperature, say above 100 degrees Celsius, 110, then we may end up burning the milk before and not stop it at the boiling point. So this points us towards the criticality of the variable. So the critical reliability variable here of the temperature would be the boiling point of the milk. So to apply this to your system in actual plants or field, it is good to start at, at that point, which will ensure your system remains at the best possible state. Subscribe to my channel for the next video on this topic coming up soon. Please visit my website coraspective.com for online courses which are affordable, basic and simple to understand. Please also check out my blog, which has additional information as well as quizzes to practice your knowledge on coatings, cathodic protection, corrosion and chemical treatment. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.